Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
And away we go. Blue Alliance firing all kinds of fuels, so is Red Alliance. Multiple human players taking a part in this autonomous period, shooting from the deep side of the outpost. Looks like Blue Alliance had the advantage there, so we're going to transition over to the Red Alliance for an active hub. Robots moving about in the neutral zone, trying to collect those fuel and see if they can shoot. Rapid fire by Legacy into that red hub. Getting back to the neutral zone for more fuel. Even players for Red Alliance, we're transitioning over to Blue. Blue now active hub. A barrage of fuel from Cycle Breakers and their alliance partner. Lots of fuel going in. Orange Dynamite being part of that alliance. And transitioning back over to the Red Alliance. Their hub active. Human players are launching. Robots are getting ready to shoot. There they go. 4295 shooting. Blue is now active. Cycle Breakers with a barrage of fuel, and human players also shooting for the Blue Alliance. 4597 active. Last 30 seconds of the match. Red Alliance human players scoring one after the other in the fuel section there for their active hub. Blue Alliance human players are also shooting. And time. Congratulations to Blue Alliance winning that match 138-45.